Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we will walk you through the process step by step so you can easily book your dream vacation while spreading your payments with Afterpay. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. First step is to ensure you have Afterpay set up. Alright, so if you haven't already, download the Afterpay app, okay, and create an account. It's a simple process. So once you're all set up, you're ready to move on. Or you can just hover here at afterpay.com. You might want to go to the web browser if your choice. I'm using Google Chrome right now, but if you're using Brave, Safari, Opera, Firefox, so don't worry, it will load. All right. So once you are there, you might want to go here and search in the search bar. Type in Expedia. Okay. So here, once you are here in the Expedia part, what you can do is, for example, you wanted to book a vacation stay or even a flight, you know. Okay, for example, you're going to from New York, all right. Let's say you're going to New York, add a flight, add a car, and living from, let's say, California. Okay, right. Let's search. It'll take some time, all right. So wait. So let's say we check here in Sander Flatiron. That's in Manhattan, steps from Madison Square Park. Let's say right here, okay? So when you hover here in the payment method, all right? Let's say okay. All right, this is a Los Angeles to New York, okay? So it'll take for quite some time, right? Let's retry. Supposedly you can get something here. You have to link your Afterpay to your Expedia first before normally if you do that you will see the option here for the payment method. You would definitely see your credit cards or the other payment method, and you will see the your Afterpay payments here. Okay, so we are here, right? About this area and whatnot. There you go. If your Afterpay is connected to Expedia, you will see on the payment method right here. Will you will it will show you the Afterpay option. All right. Thank you for watching this video. You have a good one.